Myself is R.K. Soni. I am working as a deputy director in the National AIDS Control Program, and I am suffering with the ILD with fibrosis. Means सांस लेने में बहुत दिक्कत थी मेरे को, और साथ ही साथ में हर जब भी सीज़न चेंज होता था सितंबर अक्टूबर या मार्च और फरवरी, तो सीवियर कफिंग होता था और वो कफिंग एक महीने तक चलता था. आई वॉज पुट ऑन द स्टेरॉइड्स एंड द एंटीबायोटिक्स और टेकन फॉर द लॉन्ग टाइम. Last year I was suffering so serious and near to the admit in the ICU, but fortunately meanwhile somebody has told me about the NIA. Dr. Chajuram Yadav reference was come to me. I have talked to the Dr. C.R. Yadav sir. He told me that come to the NIA, so I just meet them. Then I found इतना अच्छा बिहेवियर था इनका, और उन्होंने पूरी चीज़ को देखा. और सरप्राइजिंगली कि मैं लॉन्ग टर्म से, चूँकि मेडिकल एंड हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट में था, एलोपैथी से हूँ, पब्लिक हेल्थ में काम करता हूँ, तो डेफिनेटली आई हैव टेकन द सो मैनी कंसल्टेशंस फ्रॉम द प्राइवेट सेक्टर एज लाइक द इटर्नल, MGH, CK Birla, Santokh Durlabh ji, SMS, all and all, and taken the allopathy drugs continuously for the long terms. But after taking the drugs from the Ayurvedic side, as suggested by the Dr. Chajuram Yadav, I feel a very good relief in my problems. And situation is that I was not able to be climb up is 2 or 3 stairs. But after the taking of the Ayurvedic drugs, I am able to climb up. Not only the camera, I have visited the Vaishno Devi on my feet. So this is a surprising, and thanks to the Dr. C.R. Yadav sir to give it their valuable time. Every visit, every time they are concerning to the each time and the proper treatment and the things. I am feeling well now, and there is no any problem at all. And I will like to suggest to the pupils to come here and meet the Dr. Yadav, their chronic problems, their acute problems, and put away the allopathic drugs and come to the Ayurveda. And if this video will be shared with the public, I have no any issue to concern of this. Thanks a lot to Dr. Yadav.